Hello everybody, and on today's edition of Kirk Murphy's Toy Solutions, we're on part 4 of the control panel build. I've been fiddling around a little bit with it, and we got our top piece made. I made a little piece for here. Basically, I just finished this all out. Still got a little bit there, but some of the paint will pick that up. This is this, guys. So now what we're going to do is we're going to glue all this stuff together and make it a control panel. So that, without further ado, that's what we're going to do. So I'm going to go ahead and turn this around because it got me some marks up here and on the back of here. Just kind of reference marks more than anything. Let's go right there. And we'll scoot it that way just a touch. A touch more. Then we'll get out our glue here. We'll start slathering it to it. Go on down the line, make sure everything's glued up good. Remember, you don't have to be shy with this solvent glue. You can kind of hit it a little bit. And I like to hit it a little bit. That way I know that everything's going to be bonded together good. Alright, now the next phase of this is to put this on here. And once again, we're going to do it just like what we did that one, guys. We ain't going to go a little fancy pants. We're going to put this right on here just like so. And we're going to glue it on down. Just look at it from the top here and make sure we're squared all the way. I think that's good. Right there. Alright, we got it pretty glued here, I would think. Now we'll put a little pressure on that to get that set. Spin that, make sure that looks alright down the line there. Let it go back that way just a touch. That. Now one thing that I probably will do is I got some scrap pieces here. You always end up with some of them. And I will probably take and put a few of them right in here, which we can do that now, because just to add a little bit of extra support here, I'm gluing some stuff together. So we'll go ahead and hit that right there and give her the glue. Be real liberal in a few spots here. That's just going to hold our pieces here together a little bit better. I ain't saying they won't hold together, but it ain't going to hurt. We ain't going to see them from the backside anyways, because this is going to be up against the wall. Say that's that. I didn't have to put them in there, but just as a safety precaution, I wanted to put a couple little pieces in there. And that's pretty much our control panel, y'all. Hold that a little bit. And I'm going to stick a little more glue to that, actually. Okay. There we go. I'd seen this corner was kind of peeking up a little bit, so I went ahead and put the clamp on it and get it back down where it's at least glued up there. Yeah. Of course, we still got a lot of paint to go and everything, so there's going to be a lot more that we still have to do. But this is, for the most part, the main structure of the body of the control panel and getting your screens where you want it. Of course, I've made some other stuff to doodle it up a little bit. I'm going to put little buttons and stuff on this thing so they can have buttons to push, and then a couple of keyboard panels or whatever, or something right in here, or buttons for the big push to bomb the thing or whatever. I made this. We can go ahead and glue that on there while we're waiting here. I guess I'll hold that for a little bit more and see if I can get it to calm down there on that. That'll be all right there. So the next thing is I made some doodads here for this. We'll put a little of the doodads on it that I made for it. This is going to go here, like, you know, where they pull out to access the computer board or whatever, or like a drawer. There we go. And I got some pipes here I wanted to put on this stuff that I cut. We'll see if we can glue a couple of them on with any luck. I don't know how that's going to go, but we're going to see. I need to grab my tweezery things here. The first pipe I'm going to put it on is going to be over here, leading up to this stuff. I'm going to put it right there. There we go. That should be good for that one. I'll put this other one here on there. So a little different position here. There we go. There we go. That'll be all right, I'd say. Pull it out just a little bit there. That's the hardest part, is to get the little doodads on there straight sometimes whenever you're doing this stuff. Yeah, them look all right, I guess. Good enough for me. Now, I know I'm going to put that on there like so. I'll have it right there at the edge. But I wanted to put a couple of these little hot boogers right down here. So that'll be the next on the list here, I guess. So stick them onto there. So once again, we'll get out our glue and butter it up on the ends here. There we go. And I can do this one here without even having to use any of that stuff. The little tweezers. That didn't quite work out like I wanted. That's all right. It's trial and error after all. Okay. That's that. So this is what we got so far, y'all. That's going to be our computer little button thingy. I don't know what. That's what we're coming up with. So we'll probably do one more part, and that'll be where we add a few more doodads and then get everything broke down and get ready for paint. That's with him up there to scale. I don't know what you guys think. You think it's too big, too small, just right? I still got to come up with my pictures for my screens, and then I was kind of maybe thinking about some way of backlighting it. I don't know. We'll see in the next video what I come up with in between here and there, and then we'll just go from there. All right, guys. I'm Turk Murphy. This is Turk Murphy's Toy Solutions. This is the control panel number 4. We're gonna probably have one more episode of it. Hope you guys enjoyed. Like, share, subscribe, comment. Peace. Y'all have a good one.